3 travel apps you need before your next flight to keep you out of long TSA lines. Travel can be stressful, especially when airports are involved. Flights get delayed, or, worse still, cancelled. Ever-growing security lines sometimes snake through the airport, putting you in jeopardy of missing your flight. Last-minute changes can happen and derail months of planning, potentially starting off your trip on a bad note. Programs like TSA PreCheck and Global Entry can help travelers, but there are also ways that tech can help you prepare for your journey and stay aware of the curveballs that might come your way. Number 1. Airline app. It keeps all of your travel information in one, easy-to-access place. Turn on notifications to get immediate alerts when it's time to check in so you'll know if there are any delays or gate changes. Once you have a boarding pass, save even more time by adding it to the digital wallet on your smartphone. Number 2. MyTSA. The app provides a real-time look at your selected airport's wait time, any FAA delays, and which TSA PreCheck lanes are open. The app also uses historical data to help you plan ahead. So, even if your flight is 3 days away, the app can show you what you're likely to encounter that day based on previous experiences. It's also a useful resource if you're unsure about what you can or can't pack in your carry-on and checked luggage. Number 3. Mobile Passport Control. If you're traveling abroad, the Mobile Passport Control app makes your return through US Customs much faster. The app is a digital version of the Customs and Border Patrol declaration form that anyone entering the US is required to fill out. You can save up to 12 profiles in the app, and only one form is needed per family, per residence. The app doesn't work at every airport, so check the CBP website to see where you can use it.